In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Kit subscription. If you've been using Kit, which was formerly known as ConvertKit, but you've decided it's time to move on or take a break, this walkthrough will guide you through the process step by step. I'll be using the current interface, so what you see on your screen should look very similar to what I describe. First, sign into your Kit account as you normally would. Once you're logged in and you're on your main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see either your account name or a profile icon. Go ahead and click that. This opens a drop-down menu that contains different options related to your account. From that drop-down, choose the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can manage different parts of your account, like email settings, subscribers, and of course, billing. On the settings page, look along the left-hand side for a menu. In that sidebar, find and click on Billing, or it may appear as Account and Billing, depending on the version of the interface you're seeing. This section is where Kit stores all your payment details, invoices, and plan information. Once you're in the billing area, scroll down the page until you find a section labeled My Plan, or sometimes Account Deletion. This is where Kit gives you options for changing or ending your subscription. Take a moment to read through what's on that screen so you understand whether you're canceling just the paid plan or fully closing your account. When you're ready to move forward, look for a button that says Cancel My Plan or Delete My Kit account. Canceling your plan usually means stopping future billing while keeping your data for a period of time, whereas deleting your account is more final and may remove your content and subscriber data. Click the option that matches what you want to do. After that, Kit will guide you through some final prompts. You may be asked to choose a reason for canceling, such as cost, switching tools, or no longer needing email marketing. If you choose to fully delete your account, you might be required to type a confirmation phrase, such as delete account, to make sure you understand that this action is permanent. Follow those prompts all the way through until you see a final confirmation message. Once you've done that, your Kit subscription has been successfully canceled.